Do you often feel unhappy, tired, and unmotivated? Things that used to bring you joy now feel boring, meaningless. You turn to porn and masturbation to escape this feeling, for a quick dopamine shot. Sure, it feels good right now, but after that, regret. Gap. You're stuck in an endless loop. When this process is daily, even several times a day, your brain is overloaded. Your dopamine levels are rising and your dopamine threshold is rising like never before. And when that happens, nothing else sounds exciting anymore. You stop enjoying real life. But here's the truth. You can break this cycle, and you're already in the right place. What is FAP addiction? FAP addiction isn't just about watching porn or masturbating. It's about how often, why, and how it affects your mind. If you FAP daily, multiple times, or feel you have to, that's addiction. Your brain becomes wired to expect instant pleasure. Motivation drops, focus disappears. You feel numb, lazy, and disconnected from real life. That's the cost of overstimulation. What is NoFap and who needs it? NoFap simply means not watching porn and not masturbating. It's not just a trend, it's a reset button for your brain, especially for those who feel trapped in the addiction loop. It helps lower your dopamine threshold, so you can enjoy the little things again. It brings back energy, discipline, and clarity. NoFap is for anyone who wants to take control of their mind and body. It's for you, if you're ready to change. Why you should do NoFap? Because you've been numbing yourself. Because your life deserves more than cheap dopamine. NoFap helps restore balance. It's the first step to rebuilding your focus, your motivation, your self-respect. You'll sleep better, think clearer, you'll get your energy back, and most importantly, you'll feel alive again. This video is just the beginning. This is your call to change. If you're tired of feeling numb, lost, and stuck, this journey is for you. New videos are coming to guide you every step of the way. So subscribe, stay focused, and start your transformation. Let's break free, together.